Solukhumbu region in the northeastern part of Nepal is a world-famous destination. It is the home of the famous Sherpas and the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. Thousands of tourists come to Solukhumbu every year for a life-changing experience. Sagarmatha National Park, recognized as a World Heritage Site, is one of the main attractions of this destination. Treks to the Everest Base Camp and Gokyo Lake in the Khumbu region are extremely popular with trekkers. However, this is not all. Solukhumbu has many more exciting attractions in the southern region